On today's video, we'll be walking through how to change a person's age in DaVinci Resolve 21, and that person is going to be me. Yeah, so on this particular color page, I already have this particular footage color graded. You can see the node 3, and this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. Okay, so now what we're going to need to do is go to the second to the last node before your CST and then add a serial node. Once I've added a particular serial node, I will go to my effect tab, just search for face, and you're going to see face age transformer. Drag that particular plugin to your empty node, then click on the text faces to see this particular green triangle. If you are not seeing it, click on show overlay. So next thing is to track the footage back and forth. This is the 5 seconds footage. Once it is done tracking, remove the show overlay, and then the next thing is, this is where we're going to be working at. You can see there are two sections: subject age and then age offset. The subject age here is where we tell DaVinci Resolve that this is what the actual age of the person is. So I'm just going to add 35. I'm 35 years younger, so deal with it. This is the age offset. If you go to the left, you are making me younger, and then if you go to the right, you are making me older. So we're going to play with it right now, but before we go do that, this is how I'm actually looking, my actual age, right? Young boy. Now let's go to the age offset, drag it upward to 15 years or thereabout to make me older. And when we do that, this is what we are seeing on our face. This is how old I'm looking by 15 years time. So let's increase it now to something like 23. And when I increase it to 23, that means at around 58 years old, this is how I'm going to be looking according to that DaVinci Resolve. This is incredible. All right. Now, if you look here, you can see that the effect is not taking place on the hairs. So if I remove the effect right now, you can see that it's only the face, that is the skin of the face, that is changing. Nothing is happening to the hairs. The gray hair you are seeing here is natural. If I put back the effect right now, you're going to see that only my face is being affected by this age change. So nothing is happening to the hair yet. I think DaVinci is still developing this. If you also look at this place I'm bending down, the age difference is not much, because if I remove this effect right now, this is how it is looking. If I remove the effect, that is my actual age, and then with the age effect back, this is how it's looking. This is without the age effect. So now we can also make myself younger, and if I make myself younger by, say, by 10 years, this is how I am going to look. If I make myself younger by 10 years, if I make it by 5 years, this is exactly how I'm going to look. Then if I decrease it to something like 12 years younger, this is how I'm going to look. And if you check well, you see that what is happening here is just more about softening the skin. So at this stage, I would say that this particular AI tool is still learning. But what do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. See you on the next one.